Who is it?
It's me.
Oh, come on in.
Oh, thanks, man.
Welcome to my crib.
Alright, this is stand number 3, and I wish I could show you all this field without the thermal, but like, I'm in a pretty nice subdivision, like $1 million home, and these people got a little bit of land and a big field off to the side. I guess you can kind of see it, but that hill right there, I'm already hearing dogs. The other one is. I only see one. Okay, I'll shoot the one in the back. Hold up. I'll shoot the one in the back, okay? Ready? Hold up. Shoot the one on the left. Shoot the one on the left. 3, 2. Which one did you shoot? Did you shoot that one right there?
No. Oh, I just did that one.
Did you shoot the one over here?
I tried it.
Okay.
I missed one.
Hey.
Mine was like trying to run behind trees.
You almost shot that one, bro.
Yeah, that's close.
God, I'm shaking.
Sam.
That was
I was very unexpected. I was about to call it.
I was about to call it. It was 20. God, I'm shaking.
28 minutes?
Yeah, I don't know why that. Oh my God, that was intense.
Good shot.
Hey, my scope. God, I gotta chill out. Whenever I went to go take the shot, you know how the scope will like nuke itself?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it did right whenever I went to go shoot. Mm-hmm. So I just hoped he was there. You ready to go get him?
Yeah.
I got a drag.
Thank God you have one this time. I don't think anymore it's gonna come back out.
Well, heck yeah, dude, we got one. Knuckle bump.
Yes, sir.
Got Mr. Reloader over here.
Big money.
All right, Andrew, I'll let you go first in case you bust it.
I'm gonna fall on my head. Why don't you just go around and walk down the middle of the road?
Oh, this is steep. Look at those little steps.
These little baby steps.
Oh Lord! Yeah, had the call right there on the retainment wall.
Yeah, let's just walk up the road.
All right, who shot his leg off again? Who shot his leg off again?
Lieutenant Dan.
Well,
He's no legs.
he's done for. He's little. Beautiful colors on him. Might just be a little malnutrition dog. There you go. Now you ain't gotta touch him so much.
Yes, sir. Let's see how the...
And there's a piece of lung gland right there. Oh no, that's bad. Andrew, it's not that far, dog. It's not that far.
No.
That's a good shot right there.
Yeah, it is. Why don't you leave it there? It's a drag for a reason.
Drag them like that?
Yeah. Got a pair of pliers?
My. Yeah, we got a comment on one of the videos we posted on Facebook, and somebody said, I'll put the comment on the screen, but this the name of this gun now is a Trumpy Bear. You know, Trumpy Bear.
Nice.
You didn't see that comment?
I haven't read the comments on it.
Oh, dude, some of them are pretty brutal. All right, look at how proud of you, FGS. I guess they're trying to spell cigarette in Britain.
Oh, yeah.
Are to kill an innocent coyote. GRB, guys. Rest your arms now from stroking your rifle named Trumpy Bear. Trumpy Bear.
Hashtag Trumpy Bear.
Yeah, those electric fences will light you up pretty good. Now touch it. There's Big Sexy. Look, right whenever we were walking out here, Coyote started firing off in the field beside us. So we're rushing to get everything set up right now. For it to stop, and then we'll 3, 2, 1, 3. Andrew, you shot that one out from under me, dog.
Like you said, I had it that time.
No, I said 3, 2, 1, dog.
Maybe fucking stress. See if something else comes out.
Dude, Andrew, knuckle bones, dude, knuckle bones.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's a female.
It's a female?
Yep.
Hey, she's got pups. Look at her
Yes,
teats. What do you think, killer?
Well, another one down. She came right on in.
That's a perfect shot, dude.
I think I shot her in the chest. In the front, she was like straight on at me.
She got pups. I don't know. It's a bummer.
Hit it with your purse.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Ford Motor Company. There's 2 fingers I want to give you, and I ain't putting any of them up.
There we go.
Thank you, Ford. Thank you, Ford. Thank you, Ford. All right, get up here, Mama.